Research. Follow successful pages in your niche. Note what kind of content they post, their posting frequency, engagement rates, and follower growth. Identify content gaps where you can provide value that others aren't covering. Create your Instagram account. Sign up. Use a professional email for your Instagram account. Avoid using personal emails. Choose a username that is simple, memorable, and reflective of your niche. Avoid using numbers or special characters. Optimize your profile. Use a professional logo or a relevant icon. This helps in creating a recognizable brand. Write a concise bio. Use emojis for visual appeal, include a call to action, CTA, and add relevant keywords. Example, exploring the world's hidden gems. Follow us for travel tips, guides, and stunning destinations. Travel more. Add a link to a relevant website, blog, or link aggregator like Linktree. Identify your niche, passion and knowledge. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and have some knowledge of. This makes content creation easier and more authentic. Audience demand. Research if there is a demand for your chosen niche. Use tools like Google Trends, Instagram hashtags, and competitor analysis. Unique angle. Find a unique angle or perspective that sets your page apart from others. These are some of the viral niches travel photography content. Stunning landscapes, cityscapes, and cultural experiences without featuring the photographer. Food and recipes. Content, high-quality images of dishes, step-by-step recipe videos, and food styling. Home decor and interior design. Content, interior design tips, room makeovers, DIY projects, and home organization. Fitness and workout content, workout routines, fitness tips, and healthy lifestyle content. Art and illustration content, showcasing artworks, illustrations, and the creative process. Fashion and style content, outfit inspirations, fashion flat lays, and styling tips without featuring the face. Quotes and inspiration content, motivational quotes, life advice, and positive affirmations. Nature and wildlife content, stunning nature photography, wildlife images, and conservation messages. DIY and crafts. Content, craft tutorials, DIY project ideas, and step-by-step guides. Minimalist lifestyle content, minimalist living tips, decluttering advice, and simple living inspiration. Last but not least, AI and how to make money. Content, AI-related website, money-making real methods, try before telling someone else. Plan your content, use tools like Google Calendar, Trello, or dedicated content scheduling tools like Later or Planoly to schedule your posts. Content types. Decide on the types of content you will post. High-quality photos relevant to your niche, short videos, reels, or IGTV. Infographics. Informative graphics that provide value, motivational or niche-related quotes. User-generated content, UGC, content created by your followers with permission. Design post, use Canva, Adobe Spark, Photoshop, or mobile apps like Over and Snapseed, CapCut for editing. Maintain consistency in your visuals, use the same color palette, fonts, and filters. Create reusable templates for quotes, announcements, and regular posts. Use free stock photo websites like Unsplash, Pexels, and Pixabay. Always credit the original creators if you're sharing their content. This can help build good relationships and increase your credibility. Consistency, stick to a posting schedule. Consistency helps in retaining followers and increasing engagement. Use Instagram Insights to determine when your audience is most active. Write engaging captions. Ask questions, share interesting facts, or tell stories. Use a mix of popular and niche-specific hashtags and tags which are still active. Do not use dead hashtags. Aim for around 11-30 hashtags per post. Example, Josh and Travel, I travel more, I wanderlust, I travel tips, I hidden gems, explore more. Engage with your audience, respond to comments and messages. Respond to comments and DMs promptly. This encourages more interaction. Personalize your responses to make followers feel valued. Stories and highlights. Post regular stories. Use features like polls, questions, and quizzes to engage your audience. Organize your stories into highlights with relevant categories, e.g., travel tips, destinations, behind the scenes. Grow your page. Collaborate with influencers in your niche for shoutouts or guest posts. Partner with other theme pages for mutual promotion. Promotions. Use Instagram's advertising platform to reach a larger audience. Host giveaways with simple rules like follow, like, and tag a friend to increase engagement and followers. Engagement strategies. Use CTAs in your posts and stories to encourage followers to engage, e.g., tag a friend who needs to see this. Interactive content. Use polls, questions, and quizzes to make your content interactive. Regularly check Instagram Insights to track your post performance, audience demographics, and engagement. KPIs. Focus on key performance indicators like engagement rate, reach, impressions, and follower growth. Adjust content strategy. Regularly review which types of posts perform best and adapt your strategy accordingly. Listen to your audience's feedback and incorporate it into your content planning. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content. Ensure the partnerships align with your niche and audience interests. Affiliate marketing. Promote products through affiliate links and earn commissions on sales. Launch and sell your own products, such as ebooks, merchandise, or online courses. I use Instagram shopping if you sell physical products. Tag products directly in your posts. Maintain consistency, stick to your content calendar and posting schedule. Continuously engage with your followers by liking, commenting, and sharing relevant content. Stay updated. Keep up with Instagram's latest features, algorithm changes, and trends. Regularly introduce new content formats and ideas to keep your audience interested. By following these detailed steps, you can create and grow a successful faceless Instagram theme page. Remember, building a strong and engaged community takes time, so be patient and persistent in your efforts. Thanks for watching. Let me know what topic you want to learn next.